We're on our trip.
What's up, guys? We're out here on having a good old time. Obviously, we're on our cell phones.
Well, we haven't lifted off yet.
We haven't lifted off. It's supposed to be done.
Yeah, we should have.
But we're all here. That's what's up.
Fireman over here. Yeah. Homie over here chilling.
Never gets it right. So, got the
First time for one.
Second? First time.
Like this year, first time to Brownell?
Second time to Brownell, first time for this year.
Okay. So first time to Brownells, second time to Brownells, third time to Brownells, right?
Four.
Yeah, fuck us. Yeah, just go on your own. Yeah, fuck the rest of us, right?
I don't want to wait for shipping. I'll fly.
So we got the guys over here. Switch this. There's Gamage.
I don't know if it's not available.
Okay, with Gamage, Trigger Dad, Underdog back there. This is going to be an interesting trip.
With that mag on the side.
All right, so we're in Iowa at Brownells, and we are about to go to the store. Haven't been to the store. Got my gift card. Got about $500 to spend. And I sure as shit plan on spending every bit of it. Wife doesn't want me to spend more, but might have to sleep on the couch. Miss Mayhem understands. She'll just be mad for a little bit. I'm sure she will enjoy whatever I got, because that's what we do. So here we go. It feels really good outside. The weather is showing promise. Yesterday, rain day, as you guys saw, it was real dark. It was rainy. It was not the best weather, but like always, we're from Florida. We're used to rain. That didn't do nothing to us. And now we're at the store. But before we go to the store, check it out. There we go.
So far. Yeah, and it just keeps exploding year after year. We try to play through the dolls and just exceed expectations.
85 years.